for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, climate control, rear defrost, front-wheel drive. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.